Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage, we're going to take a look at this 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner from Hot Wheels. This is part of the Fast and Furious series, number 3 of 8 of that special series, and this is from the movie The Fast and the Furious. I have no idea which one or what order that is, but I know I've seen it, so this is a really cool car from that movie. And if we take a look at the back, you can see the other cars that are available in this series, and we will be doing videos on most of those. And we can see it's got these great big wheels, nice silver color, tan interior. I can't wait to open this up. So let's take a look. So here we have our 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner out of its packaging, and we can take a closer look at it. We can see that great silver gray metallic color and some black pinstriping down the side with the HEMI logo on the tail of the car, and these oversized wheels with the cool chrome inserts. Very cool. This is a pillarless car, which means it's a two-door and it doesn't have a post in the middle, and it looks really nice. It's nice and sporty. We turn around to the front. It's got some chrome on it, very cool, and a little bit of detail on the hood right here. Nothing crazy, no engines poking out or anything like that. It's got a plastic Hot Wheels base, also in chrome, which matches the rear bumper. There isn't very much detail on the back, but the interior looks really cool. It's like a nice tan color. It's very nice. I like this one, and I'm looking forward to opening up the rest of the Fast and Furious series. If you like this video, make sure you leave us a thumbs up or a comment down below. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you on the next video.